Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and hope everyone is doing well guys. In today's video, as you can see by the title, one video each and every day for 10 consecutive days. And the reason why I'm setting this challenge guys, as you all know guys, our goal is to get to 1000 subscribers in 2025 and I'm just kind of like scared. I don't know if we're gonna be able to achieve that, but then I believe we can, you know.
I'm both frightened and aroused.
I believe we can. If I just stay consistent with posting on YouTube, I think we can. So guys, yeah, that's why I want to also set a challenge for myself to upload 10 videos on the YouTube channel and see how many subscribers we can be able to get and how many views we can be able to generate with those 10 videos that I'll be uploading on the YouTube channel. And those 10 videos, I want the videos to be 5 minutes long, like 5 minutes plus. I don't want the videos to be less than 5 minutes. So yeah, that's basically what the challenge is. And yeah, I hope I'll be able to generate about 200 subscribers with this 10 videos. I'm kind of like scared because the 10 videos will take a lot of my time and will also like take a lot of energy. But then I just want to be able to, I just want to see if I can be able to get the 200 subscribers from the 10 videos that I'll upload. And yeah, let's see because yeah, we still have a long way to go. We still have like 12 months to be able to get 1000 subscribers. So let's see if we can be able to do it guys. And yeah, this video was just like a video to inform you guys what's going to happen. So guys, if you guys see a notification each and every time I post for 10 days, man, support your boy, kindly like, comment, do all those nice things, you know, and let's see how far this YouTube channel can get us, you know. And yeah, just going to get it. Every day is a chance to get better. Here to uplift, inspire, educate. Let's go.